And we're live. Good morning. How is everyone doing on this fantastic raid Thursday? I'm going to ramble about nothing for a few moments as I get my live stream up on my phone so I can read the chat and hang out with you guys on this because today is a very exciting day. We will be raiding as a group Desci Shillers in action today. It is the weekly raid. We're also going to be doing some live trading and just talking about decentralized science as always, as we are the DeSci group. If anyone you know is even remotely DeSci curious, you definitely want to send them this way, as this is really, from my understanding, one of the only groups that is heavily focused on decentralized science. I am ready to go. I am excited. This is the second to last live stream on my laptop before we make it back to the regular studio room for live streaming, the little home office where I have my three monitors and I can be dynamic in everything that I do. Today, decentralized science is up an astonishing 11.9% with a total market cap of $564 million. What is leading the charge today? It is Amex, it is Research Coin, Athena DAO, Genome DAO again, Novoblocks again, despite Novoblocks still being down on the week. It is recovering a little bit here, finally. We're seeing a little bit of live action to the upside. We have Axon DAO up 5%. We have Origin up 6%. It is a good day out there. It is a good day. We saw Bitcoin go crazy after the election, and now Bitcoin is chilling sideways around the all-time high. So if we come take a look at the hourly chart, it just had another little bit of a spike upwards today, which is good. This is exactly what we want to see. We want to see Bitcoin kind of range higher, marginally higher, lower, higher, lower, higher, lower, right? Pretty astute observation there. I'm currently in an Ethereum trade right now. I know, I understand. Not everyone likes Ethereum. It's okay. I was looking at the liquidation maps and it looked like Ethereum was going to be making a slight move up to all-time highs again here today. I think it's going to potentially break up to $2,900. And so I entered into a trade along here on 30x leverage. So pretty aggressive leveraged trade here. And hopefully we can see the breakout as we move back up to the high from yesterday. Looking at the liquidation maps on Ethereum, it does look like there's a lot of liquidity hanging right above us. All the way up to 28.94 is the peak up here. There is some liquidity down below where it could break down to 27.50. However, the pattern in the chart does not really indicate we'll be heading back down to 27.50. So the chart looks like we'll be heading up. There's liquidity up at 2,900, so I took the trade. How's everyone doing? How are you guys doing? Good morning, Beagle. Good morning, MK. Welcome in. Let me take a sip of water as I can already feel my throat starting to dry out a little. We got Research Coin up just a little bit, still very much so range bound here. Still not breaking out fundamentally at all. Well, fundamentally it continues to do better, but on the charts, Research Coin is not breaking out at all. If we do come look at WellShare though, because yesterday I believe WellShare was starting to break out again. Yep, look at that. That is a very clear bullish pattern. That is honestly, this is probably a pretty good entry price for WellShare, sitting at $17 million market cap. They had that initial pump, rebound, and now it looks like they're gearing up to have a break back to all-time highs. Hopefully, a quick little double up on the price of WellShare tokens would not be a surprising thing to see at all. But one thing that is kind of surprising to see is how beautifully grass is performing. So how many of you guys got into the airdrop for grass? That's something that we farmed for nearly a year straight. All you had to do was click a couple buttons, sell some of your data to them, and they profited immensely. We profited a small little airdrop, but that airdrop has been performing very nicely. Dropped to us around 70 cents. It's already up to $3. So I know some of you guys got hundreds of tokens. Probably no one here got thousands of tokens, but some people did. And now it's all the way up at $3. You want to come say hi?
Sure.
Amanda's getting ready to go to her meetings. She's working at TikTok. She's got to go into the office.
Mm-hmm.
You want to say hi? You're up
Yeah,
in the
there I
corner.
am.
Yeah.
Okay, I was waiting to see me.
It's
So
a
it's
delay
delayed.
though. Yeah.
I know.
Welcome. Any questions for her before she departs for the day?
Questions.
Any questions, comments, concerns? You want to see anything?
Um, yeah, I noticed that most of the top ones that you just mentioned are not actually what I'm holding.
Yeah.
So,
Well, unfortunately, Data Lake not looking great today. It's still above where you bought, but not by too much. You are up, what is that, 25%?
okay.
50? No, that's 50%. You're up 50%.
Okay.
That's pretty good.
It's bad.
50% is pretty solid.
Yeah.
Let's see. You also own Dynex,
Mhm.
DNX. Oh, they don't have it on Blowfin. Dynex looking pretty decent. It's still at the bottom of the range. I think I convinced you to buy a ton of it right here, so you're down a little bit on it, but it's a solid play.
It's okay.
It is okay. I put out a video on them yesterday, and it actually performed very well.
I haven't seen it yet.
This one, 199 likes.
Aw.
Dynex is buying $10 million. Dynex is launching room temp silicon quantum chips. Is scaling to 1 million qubits.
Mm,
Dynex is tradable through MetaMask. Dynex is, just watch the video.
that's a really great post.
Thank you.
It's a
People
really
liked
great
it.
post. Yeah. Okay.
Beagle says, hey Amanda,
Hi, Beagle.
what is she scooping? What are you scooping?
Uh, Today I'm skipping TikTok.
Today she's scooping TikTok. No purchases in the market from her. Hey, what's good, C90?
Right. I am going. Oh no, I
Okay,
was gonna. I actually have like 5 more minutes.
okay.
So then I'll see you.
All right, have fun.
Okay.
How you guys doing? We got a very quiet chat today, which is concerning because it's raid day. So I'm a little bit confused as to why everyone's taking the day off or something. It's raid day, guys. Get the raid activities going. We're going to be going in. He's live right now. We have to go raid right now. Let me grab the live stream so that I can share it. I've been waiting. Nobody's even here, so I had to wait till everyone was here. Get in the live. We'll go over to Discord as well. Where are you people? There we go. There we go. We just have to tell them. We have to let everyone know. Even though we're live Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, sometimes you got to remind everyone because we're going to be rating DeFi Daddy here. Let me get my headphones on so that I can listen to him and not just destroy the microphone. He's been live for 18 minutes already, guys.
Wait, what time is it?
9:09. Can you guys hear what he's saying? Probably not, because I have it muted. There you go. God bless you. Is it too loud?
A broken record, but it is what it is. The Nasdaq has also set an all-time high, trading above 2100. Blue sky breakout for
Bullish.
the Nasdaq. 100 largest tech companies in America. Dow Jones Industrial Average has also set an all-time
Now, there we go.
across financial markets. Gold is up, silver is up. Boring. Let's talk about some crypto charts here. Starting off with the Solana ecosystem. So obviously we were talking about Solana price action. It's trading at
He's
$193,
not gonna
which
want to
is
listen to DeSci
220 all
stuff.
day, 220 day high. But its
Have
ecosystem is
fun.
where the greatest alpha is.
Bye.
And speaking of alpha, Grass is a project that I brought to you on
Thank
the
you.
day of
Bye.
TGE when it was
Love you.
trading at about 80 cents. This morning it hit $3.10.
Okay, guys.
That is a very strong.
See, he's talking about
chart,
grass too.
ladies
You know,
and
he's the
gentlemen.
one
It's
who
currently
actually
trading
put
at
me on to
294.
grass. Shh. He's the one who actually put me on to grass. And then I put Lucas onto grass, and then Lucas went nuts sharing it. So it was a very bullish. Grass airdrop
That
went
its
crazy.
circulating market cap is probably over $500 million now. Its circulating market cap is 713 million. Its fully diluted value is just shy of 3 billion. This is a Solana AI ecosystem project that it's had a crazy launch. It has had the timing of its launch literally couldn't have been better, right? There is market momentum, there is Solana momentum. Nvidia earnings are in about 13 days.
The Grass team
November 20th,
really
2024.
honestly did really well because they could have butchered it pretty badly if they listened to the public. Grass team did well, not fall into the public pressure to launch early.
Is a DEX in the Solana ecosystem up 21% on the day. Looks really good. Orca, as of this morning, has set a 198-day high.
Sorry, was taking profits. That's all right, Zesh.
Very substantial.
Welcome.
Radium is also up 11% on the day. This was a play that I gave to you
Thuna
guys at
says,
about $2.
Desci curious. Let's go,
And I mean,
Thuna.
honestly, this is the kind of context where you could just throw liquidity at the wall and you will make money. Radium has set a 1,021-day high.
Damn, Radium.
As it has retested this previous high over here from March, from resistance into support, and it is just a price discovery. Camino is currently trading at 10 cents as it's breaking out of this little range here. Marinade,
well, that's bullish.
is doing
Camino,
okay.
Marinade. What are these coins he watches?
I don't know. Solana ecosystem is where
bullish for Desci. Let's go.
How we doing that, investor? Nice to see you. Grass airdrop sprinting. You are right. If you provide specific Desci charts, I can pull them up, but I got a feeling you don't want my honest review of how those charts are looking. Just
no charting.
Just giving you a bit of a warning. That might not be what you're looking for.
No charting. See, he acknowledged.
Another
he knows from last time.
That's actually I got some more Solana ecosystem to cover. Jito is trading at $2.46. Jito's infrastructure in the Solana
I actually am down for him to
liquid
chart
staking,
Dynex.
kind of stuck in this high time frame range where the highs are at about
Dynex's chart looks solid.
$2.55. The
Knock on
lows
wood.
are about $1.80.
Right? That chart looks okay.
When Jito is able to cross out of this range with some momentum, it'll look good. But
all right, the ETH trade's going very well right now.
Major Jito unlock starting January 1st.
Nobody cares about Jito. The ETH trade is going well. So it's 30x leverage. So we're up 15% on the trade. That's solid. I'm looking to take profits on this sucker as it comes back up to all-time highs, or not all-time highs, but the range highs here. There is, again, a bunch of liquidity for Ethereum. Let me refresh that and go back to ETH. So there is a bunch of liquidity for Ethereum through 2880, 2890, and then a at 2894. So I'm looking for us to break up past 2900 on Ethereum. It is a very strong push right now. So hopefully that actually comes into play. Again, let's draw a little bit of a house over here so that we can get some. I think it's probably going to take a little bit of time before it does that, but let's draw the little opening here. Boom, boom, boom. And then we'll put a little roof here. Come home, baby. Come on home. The doors are open for you. Come on, ETH. All right, back over to his live stream.
Yeah.
Hear what he says. Hype.
Yeah, the Melstroy Shill Gang. The Melstroy Shill Gang is here to ruin the chat.
Damn.
Ash says, take a look at Arrow. Arrow is a decentralized finance protocol in the Base ecosystem. I think this is a great form of Ethereum alpha because Base is really where Ethereum is happening. This is the 12-hour chart where we have a series of lower highs.
All right, we have competition in the chat, guys.
Yesterday
we have competition in the chat.
A
bunch of bots
and then
coming in to spam about Melstroy.
Looking pretty good. So if you're bullish on
spam
Base,
about
bullish on
Desci.
Aerodrome, it basically is that
76k Bitcoin. Let's go.
Not this again. Yeah, man. Every time, bro. I'm not going to open
Bitcoin,
the chart, man. I'm not.
Bitcoin putting to
What about
all-time
TIA
highs.
unlocks? TIA unlocks started in October, and I think let's see
Let's
how they're
go,
looking.
Bitcoin. Get that breakout going. What's the
TIA
liquidity
unlocks,
look like for Bitcoin?
Yeah, the TIA unlocks are basically
Bitcoin might be
0.1% a
skyrocketing
day
to
for all of
76,500 here.
November.
Bitcoin to 76,500 on a quick little pop here. That's where all the liquidations are. You guys know how to read this chart. There's a lot of liquidity right up in here. See that little spike of liquidity? Whereas on the sell side, it's empty for a while, right? So that means we're leaning towards the higher side for Bitcoin, despite a lot more people being super long right now, which usually means we go down. But given that the chart structure is so good, and we see some extremely high leverage right here. So if I remove all other types of leverage, there is an extremely high amount of people who are short right now with their stop losses set at 76,500, right? And so given that, and given the bullish structure of Bitcoin, you can assume we're going to come up and liquidate those positions because that is open liquidity. By closing those positions, the centralized exchanges make money. And so they often just send it straight to those positions, right? To grab the liquidity, make some money. It's also just supply and demand. Most people are looking for a $76,500 Bitcoin, which means there's a good chance we skyrocket right there. And on the same side, we're looking for Ethereum's liquidity up here at 2,900, the same type of structure, right? We zoom into Ethereum. It's a little bit less detailed, at least on CoinGlass right here. So if you guys have any recommendations for better liquidity ones, I'm down. But the same kind of structure. There is a lot of liquidity up here from Binance, actually. On Binance, you can see it right there. If I remove the others, a lot of liquidity on Binance up at 28.94, and I imagine they're going to be sending the price up to 28.94 for Ethereum. It might take a little bit of time, but we're already pretty damn close. 28.94 is just what, like 0.5% away now? Yeah. We are 0.7% away from grabbing it.
To compete with the Desci shillers, yeah, for real.
Yeah.
DNX,
I had my
think, is
senses were
one that
tingling. Desci Shillers. Come on, baby.
Mr. Patrick, that investor, requested. Traded on Mexi, currently at 30
Oh,
cents.
bullish. He's talking about Dynex.
This chart does not look very good, brother.
Motherfucker.
From the all-time
fucker.
high set in, when was that? November 2023. It's down 78%. It looks like on November 2nd, it's set a 507-day low. Altcoins should not be setting 507-day lows in a bull market. I'm sorry. I wish you luck, brother, but it broke a very important support and then set a 507-day low. I wouldn't bid. Ash in the chat says, how low percentage-wise does Bitcoin dominance need to drop?
Well, you heard it from here.
Take off. I mean, well,
he's
Bitcoin
not bidding
dominance
Dynex.
Is down 0.
I think it'll be a mistake, but he is a trader who looks at charts.
Today, and we're seeing a
right?
pretty significant run.
Big difference. Once the chart turns around, once the chart turns around is when he'll start bidding it because he bids momentum, right? Which makes a lot of sense. If you're looking to just trade stuff, it makes a lot of sense.
Market cap less than 30 mil.
All right, there you go. He's talking about the buybacks now.
I don't believe in buybacks. I don't believe in burns.
He doesn't believe in it.
Marketing Fugazi.
Doesn't believe in it.
Personally, I wish you luck though. I mean, if the market cap is 30 mil, we both know it can pump, right?
Facts. He's just appeasing to me right now.
I don't really want to do fundamentals for DNX on stream. Fundamentals are for losers. The chart tells you everything you need to know, right? If it's at a 502-day low,
hey, take that back.
People are selling. And if
take that
people are
back.
Selling, it's because it's underperforming. To me, it's very simple. Let me scroll up in chat, make sure I haven't missed anything. Oh, there was a request for Peanut. Peanut is popular post-election meme about Peanut the squirrel, the popular TikTok icon that was executed under order of the Democratic governor of the state of New York. It's currently trading at a market cap of
Investors was
127
waiting for
million.
elections. Now they're
To me,
pushing
this is pretty
NQ,
obvious
S&P,
election
Bitcoin.
alpha,
Facts.
because Donald Trump tweeted that he would never let this happen.
So yes, 100% agree. And that's exactly what we're seeing. We're seeing strength in some of the large cap things, right? Because people, now that the election is over, the election and we had a Republican sweep, people are imagining that there's going to be a lot of bullishness for the markets. And so they're coming out of their stored cash positions. They're coming out of money market accounts. They're coming out of sidelined positions like bonds and stuff like that to max bid some of the large caps, right? Some of the safer plays. We just saw Tesla breaking up like crazy. We see Apple. We're on the 5 minute chart. Let's go to like a 4 hour chart to look at some of it. So we're seeing a lot of projects, not projects, a lot of big companies that are pushing into all-time high territories, or at least getting back to that that bullish momentum in the markets, right? Look at Palantir. It's up at $54 per share. This is something I was heavily buying down here under $10 per share, and I got a lot of ridicule. Sometimes it takes time for these things to play out, right? This is a perfect example, okay? If you were to have come over to someone like Nathan, all respect to Nathan. Nathan's got more money than I do, so clearly he knows something, okay? His strategy works. It does work. It's just different from my strategy. My strategy is buying undervalued assets and then waiting for the market to realize that they're valued. I don't have to think about it as much. I can just buy and put it to the side, okay? That's how I work. That's how I function. Looking at Palantir, if I were to go on his stream and say, hey, I'm curious about Palantir. Can you do some charting? He would have come on and been like, look at, they just broke a new support, right? They broke lower, set an all-time low. Support is not good. People are selling it like crazy. They came up, couldn't even put in a higher high, and now it's starting to come back down. He would have been like, I'm not going to be bidding that. But once it started looking like this, then he'd be like, okay, well, they clearly have some reversal. We're coming back down to support. Maybe it's time to buy. He ended up buying, if he did in this type of scenario, more than double at what I was buying at, right? And so, yes, sometimes you catch a falling knife. Sometimes you buy right here and oh, sometimes you buy at $10 and then it goes down to $5 to $6 and you're down 40% on your position. But if you understand how to fundamentally value things over time, the market will catch up to what is happening on the fundamentals, right? So that's the same type of stuff that I look at. That's exactly how I invest. I talk about it all the time because it's super simple to understand it, but Tesla was one of the easiest ones for me. I bought here and then we fell 50% and then we rallied 3000%, right? Palantir. I started buying here right as we broke down under $10, and then we fell 40%, 50%, and now we're up a 5x. Ethereum, last cycle. Let me go to the weekly range because it's been so long. Oh, they don't even have it on this chart. Ethereum, last cycle. I was buying like right here. I entered in at a pretty good point. It just immediately skyrocketed, but not before dipping by like 25%. Almost every time I get in positions, I end up losing money immediately, but then they turn around. Maybe that's something for me. Maybe that's something for you guys. Maybe I should learn from it and be a little bit more patient. But I get excited. When I find something that's valued misappropriately by the market, I get really excited. And it's just it's a fatal curse of mine. Leave. Oh wait. No, I just want to go back to ETH, but I think I had the charting on ETH below fin. Not that one. This one? Not that one. Come on. There we go. There's the house. You guys here? You here? Now, one of the ones that I think has a lot of potential that is not doing well at all on a chart. Everyone, it is clear as day. This chart looks cooked. The chart looks awful, but they are improving fundamentally. one of the ones that I think is worth holding through any of the downward momentum that the chart is suffering through right now. I know it's painful and it's been continuing to just form like crazy, but Noble Blocks. You guys know how bullish I am on Noble Blocks. I don't think I have to make any more extra claims about Noble Blocks. However, in the Telegram the other day, I hosted and I am doing the 100,000 Noble giveaway. And so I think it's time now, since it is Desci Schiller's day, it is raid day, and you guys are doing a good job. We were able to successfully raid his live stream, although it looks like the stream is over now, doesn't it? We were able to successfully raid his live stream. So props to you guys. Good, good, good. It is over, so now we can close out of this thing. Look at Wellshare chart. Scrappy, did they look at the... Did he end up looking at Wellshare? Because Wellshare looks bullish. There is no denying that Wellshare is a bullish chart. He probably did look at it because it's up a little bit. No, he ended. All right. Well, thank you, Supthuna. He did not. Well, we can. Let's take a look at what he would be looking at for charts like this, right? Initial launch, strong. Initial pullback, held the pullback pretty nicely. Now, we are already seeing on the hourly chart that it is starting to round back up, right? Let's go to the log for this thing. So we could potentially see a little bit more of a pullback here. However, I would not expect too much of a pullback. That is a pretty good rounding, a little cup and handle action. I would expect maybe one more leg up and then come back down to this line, right? Like if we were to actually do a cup and then a handle, the handle happens once it comes back up to all-time highs. So I think we can expect this range to continue to play out back up to the all-time high, which would give us a 40% gain and then a solid buyback, like a or pullback, not a buyback, but a solid pullback around that 10-cent area. And we got Dawn in the chat right now. Dawn is a mega bull when it comes to Wellshare, and the chart looks warranted, right? So a little bit of a pullback at 10 cents before I think we see a crazy rally upwards of like 25 cents or something like that. I think we see some really exponential returns on this thing, as it is just a solid, solid project. Team is good, marketing's good, therefore price must end up being good. I'm curious, I'm going to close out of the live stream chat there to see what I'm up on the trade right now. So I'm currently up $1,000 on the Ethereum trade, and I'm still expecting us to come up and hit the garage, hit the house. But it could be a little bit of time. It might be a couple hours before that happens. So what do you guys think? Should I take the W on this trade up a solid almost a 1%? Should I take the W or should I let it ride out and see if we can send it home in the garage? Or it's in the house. Maybe it's time to draw a garage. What do you guys think? Let's draw a little garage in the background. Doom. 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 The garage is behind the house in this scenario. What do you guys think? Do you think we go through the front door or through the garage? It's just fun. Did you take the Jupe? Yes, I sold the Jupiter the day of the election. I should make it more clear for you guys. Maybe I should put them actually in the trading channel on the Discord, the trading history channel, because all I did was put it in the normal chat. No, Deviant Dan, that does not look legit. You probably did not receive a real NFT there. Soon, FOMC, maybe bad news. Oh shit. FOMC meeting time. What time is the FOMC? Do we know what time it is? I don't remember. I'm all discombobulated. It is Thursday, 1 p.m. CP. This is the commercial paper 2 p.m. What time zone is this, though? We got a couple hours, right? 2 p.m., you noob. What time zone? EST? Fuck. I hate being across the country. No, I love it. It's actually a lot of fun. Okay. All right. So we got plenty of time then. It is literally only 10 or 12:30 over on East Coast. So we have an extra hour and a half for this trade to play out a little bit. I'm expecting a lot of volatility once we start breaking above the high from yesterday. The high after our boy Don, not you, Don, but the other Don, got elected as the official 20 or 47th president of the United States. I'm expecting some crazy volatility, but I want to pick the winner for the giveaway. Are you pooping on the streets of California? You know what? I'm going to the bathroom. You animal. You absolute animal. What kind of question is that? Of course I am. What kind of question is that? It's like a rite of passage by entering into California. You have to defecate on the streets. It is written in their code. When you pass the border to get into the country of California, you have to poop. It's just part of the game. Oh, that was good, guys. Which one of you made Ethereum go down? What the hell is this? What the hell is this? Not Bitcoin. I don't care about Bitcoin. I want my ETH liquidation map. All right, we're still got a lot of liquidity up through. It's starting to open there. So people are putting their stop losses up even higher. So 2907 is now the end of the liquidity zone for Ethereum. It goes a little bit further to 2936. So you might see some wicks all the way up there, but I'm still waiting for that 2894 with a little bit of a wick to 2900. It's coming down to grab some of this liquidity before sending a little bit higher, but still everything seems like it's on the verge of a breakout right now. Bitcoin's still looking to go to 76,500. So you come on over from Palantir. God damn, that is a bullish chart. Low key, need to let me remind Prince here. At Prince Vegeta, did you sell those calls? Today is an even better day. Premiums shot up. Bullish. Bullish. Look at that. Bitcoin about to break out to all-time highs again, baby. Let's go. Holy shit, we are back. We are so back. Holy fuck. We've all been waiting for this day for many moons. And it is here. Look at that volatility. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Higher. Higher. Send it up. No! Ethereum, what are you doing? What are we talking about? What are you guys saying? Give me all the 100K Noble. I won't sell. I promise. God damn it, Don. There's only one person I can trust not to sell it, and me. The rest of you guys, I ain't knowing. I ain't know if you guys are gonna be jeeting that stuff immediately or not. What are you saying? What is Vag Boy? What is going on? Why am I getting bullied on my own thing? B. Pamp. Half of them will lose. They might say how bad situation is. Did I win more noble? Took your noble, Don. Thanks. That's why Starbucks locks their bathroom doors to help you earn that merit badge. You right. You right. Okay, but we are looking at doing the noble blocks giveaway. The noble official group. Stop. All right. So we have to come here to the pinned chats. Where's the pinned stuff? I might have to do it later. I might go on my phone actually to do it, so I won't be able to read any of your comments for a minute, but I'm going to do it from my phone so I can actually go look at the pinned chats. Push that to the side. Boom. Boom. There we go. So let's go over. So Ethereum finding support, continuing to rally a little bit higher. That is bullish. No, we gave this video. Join us on our journey. No, a little bit research. Upload soon. Teamed up with Nerd. Join us on our journey. So this is the one that we did a little bit of a raid on. Further, what other ones did we do? We did a second one by Life Network, because they were talking about Desci, Life Network AI. They posted this on November 4th, and it starts with a little sun right here. So we did this. We also rated. There we go, Scrappy. There we go, Thuna. There we go, Don. Handsome. Let's go, John Smith. Bullish. Look at this. Look at how active this is. Now you know whoever's behind the Life AI account is well aware of Noble Blocks. Shout out you guys. That was good. That was very bullish. And the next one we did was BTIMBER underscore crypto. Of course, we have the worst search algorithm in the history of the internet. TIMBER underscore crypto. Okay, that's verbatim the username. BTIMBER. Well, let's just search for him then. There's nobody, but he's right here. You see how bad that search algorithm is? I just noticed, though, that he was following me, but I wasn't following him. So I went ahead and I clicked that follow button, just like you guys should do if you're new to this live stream. Because we go live Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to talk about decentralized science and the broader crypto markets. Today is a lucky day for you because not only do we have an active trade going on right now on Ethereum, in which we're up almost $1,000 on, but we are also doing Desci Schiller's raid day. So you've picked a very exciting live stream to join. What raid are we doing? Well, we are giving away the 100,000 Noble to people who have rated the 3 posts in the official Telegram. This one is from November 2nd, so we got to scroll back a few days for this guy. We're that. We also just finished a raid on. Here we go. This is the post. We also just finished a raid on Mario Nafal's roundtable with DeFi Daddy. So shout out to everyone who partook in that raid. It was a very exciting live stream today. And we still have some good momentum going. There is 11 people watching and only 7 likes, so that's a little bit weird. Not really sure where that's coming from, but that's okay. I swapped ETH for more Noble, and it actually shows my wallet selling on Dex Screener. I didn't sell though, it just did 2 transactions to get like 200,000 tokens. Damn it, C90. Why are you selling Noble? Huh? Ah! Why are we going down, boys? Why is it coming down? No! No! It's supposed to go straight up into the garage. No, but it does make sense. It does make sense, right? What is the price? We're down to 28.54. Where's the liquidity? Yeah, it just came down and grabbed these two little candles of liquidity. Now it hit the gap where there is none, and it's starting to turn around and head back up. It's all right. It's okay. We can survive. It's just people taking profits with uncertainty. So let's see. This one, everyone should have already commented on, so I imagine everyone already did comment on it. These two. Okay, we got Scrappy, we got Thuna, we got Dawn, we got Hamsum, we got this person, no. We got John Smith, we got Oops, we got S, we got Fernando, we got Aaron, but Aaron didn't talk about Noble. We got KMG. Look at that. It was actually a very successful raid, guys. There's a lot of people, and I bet they really appreciated it. How do we decide? Sell your ETH now, boys. No. How do we decide who wins? 10 people. I should make a little list of everyone who talked about Noble, huh? Yes, thank you. Now send me the Noble. I'm bad at following directions. Damn it, C90. Oh, my hip. Fuck, that hurt. You ever pop your hips? What are you guys thinking? I think I gotta make a list of everyone who partook in this, huh? Scrappy should win. I agree. Scrappy is a loyal shiller. A loyal member. Beagle, are you Scrappy? Just a curiosity question there. Yes, I agree. Supthuna, are you Scrappy, Beagle? That is a suspicious thing to say, is that you think Scrappy should win. Google Docs. You know what's crazy is on Brave, Google Docs doesn't show up when you Google Google Docs. You have to like scroll down. Look at that. It literally just doesn't show up. You Google Google Docs on Brave and it does not show up. Noble giveaway. I guess I can do this on my own time, but I figured it would be fun to do it with you guys. We got Scrappy. We got Thuna. I think I am going to just do it on my own time, though, because this is going to take a bit of time and it's going to be annoying to watch it. I'm not going to allow Dawn into the giveaway, but we got Hamsum, even though he didn't mention Noble. We'll keep going. We got John Smith. What a generic white person name that is. Sorry, John, if that's your real name. Noob Loops. Noob Loops. Like Fruit Loops, but for noobs. I'm starting a mutiny if I don't win. What? Why? We got Crypto Stassi. Just S. We got Fernando. Fernando. Is he huge, but nothing. We got KMG. KMG. All right, I'll put Don in. I'll put Don in. It's okay. We got nope, 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 nope. We got Danny, one of the raid leaders. You know what I actually do need to do? Thuna, attack him. Use Aqua Jet. Why are you treating Thuna like a Pokemon? Thuna wants Dawn's Noble. If Dawn wins, I'll give it to you, Thuna. Deal? Dawn, you're cool with that, right? You have 4 seconds to say something if you're not. One, two, 3, 4. I don't see a comment. All right, Dawn agreed to it. So Thuna, if Dawn wins, you can get it. No problem for me. Deal. All right, bullish. It's okay. No. Johnny says noble. Let's go, Johnny. Let's go. I want to make sure everyone who's here right now, because there's 14 of you guys here for Desci Raid Day, which means all 14 of you guys will be promoted to raid leader in the Telegram. Actually, no. No, no, no. Actually, it has to be who raided the stream today. Nathan. Not everyone can be raid leaders. So it is all dependent on who.
Private round.
Oh, I wasn't. There we go.
Set to on my personal account.
All right. Let's scroll back upwards a little bit to before they started raiding. And let's see who raided with us here. This is important, guys. This is important because if you raid, become a raid leader. If you did not raid with us, I have to demote you. That is part of the game. Unfortunately, you all signed the terms and agreements here. You all signed off on the terms and agreements, so you all knew the repercussions. We got GM, Grass Airdrop, GM, Good Sir, Rob, Desci Curious, so Thuna, you get to be raid leader. Thuna just puts in work constantly. Who else? We got that investor, obviously. Ash says arrow. We got a bunch of highs from random people. Not this again from Zigzag. Miss Crypto Cat. Uh-oh, guys. That's crazy. I only see Thuna. Guys. Scrappy. There we go. Scrappy. Which is apparently Beagle. All right. There's only 2 raid leaders. That's crazy, guys. There's like 12 of you right now, which means 10 people are getting demoted. 10 people are getting demoted. That's a lot, guys. All you had to do was comment something in here. Unfortunately, you missed the raid. You missed the chance to be a raid leader. I'm sorry. I don't make the rules here. I don't. Contrary to popular belief. John Smith raided again. Although, wait, no, this is the next one. We got Chris Harbin. Chris Harbin. I just got here. Sorry, Johnny. I'm sorry, man. There was a time limit on today's raid. Everyone's got the opportunity to be a raid leader for next week, but unfortunately, this week it looks like it's only going to be Beagle and Thuna. It's okay, I was promoted to CIO last raid, don't you remember? No. I made Tiwati miss. Zaj, I don't know what that even means. Who the hell is made Tawati me? Come join us, losers. No, C90, no. We got Krishal Cadell. Krishal Cadell. Krishal. I'm just gonna write that. Alright, I'll write the whole name. Cadell. Dun, dun, dun. We got Jordy Base. Jordy Base. Show probable spam. Alright, Don. Don, it looks like you are spammy. And so is Bossman. But we'll include you guys despite Don Mossiano. Mossiano. Despite X thinking that these two people are scam accounts, we will add them. Bossman. We're not even going to try and... And from this one, I made tea, so I was AFK. I'm sorry, man. Next week, guys. Next Thursday, everyone who is not a raid leader has the opportunity to become a raid leader. Crazy enough, only 2 people partook in the raid this week. Despite a lot of you guys showing up now, you're all late. You're late to the game. I'm sorry. It just is what it is. We can all have a good opportunity. Next week has the opportunity for everyone to earn the title back, but for now, I mean, as I continue to lose money, maybe if the ETH trade was successful and we were done with it already, I would be more inclined to allow everyone to maintain their raid leader statuses, but because this Ethereum trade is not breaking out to the upside currently, I'm gonna have to be a hardo on it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Crypto Monkey is shilling Lake when we should be shilling Noble. There we go, Scrappy. There we go, Thuna. There we go, this person. That's Lake still. Dawn, I see 2 successful entries for Dawn. We got Hamsum again. We got Alan Whitehouse. I think that's the first one I'm seeing, so we will go put him over here. Alan Whitehouse. Let's keep going. We got John again. We got Yordi. We got Chris Krishel. We got New Bloops again. We got Aaron Kumar. I think that's the first time. Yes. We got KMG again. We got Danny again. We got Fernando again. We got Chris again. We got Don again and Bossman. Hell yeah. This is the solid list of people who got entries. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, which means more than half of you guys will be getting the award, the winners. You have a more than 50% chance of winning some Noble. I will be doing the giveaway drawing a little bit later. I guess it's fine, huh? Well, let's do a Wheel of Fortune. What would I search to find this? Wheel random name picker. Wheel of names is what it was called. Okay. Go ahead and come here. We'll grab this. Come in here. We'll paste that on in here. All right, guys. Should we do it? We'll shuffle it a few times. Boo, 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 boo. Ready? Should we do it right now? Have a Snickers. You're not you when you're hungry. You know, I had an omelet this morning actually, so I'm just fine without a Snickers. Thank you. You know what? I'm not me. I'm not me when I'm not making tons of money. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's see it. Let's see it. You had enough time now to let the RSI reset. It's no longer overbought. It's trying to find some support here and break a little bit higher. It's starting to curl around here. Come on, baby. Let's see it. Let's see it. What we need, realistically, probably, is for Bitcoin to make all-time highs. Come on, baby. Bitcoin is right there. Just grab it. Just grab it. A little bit higher. One little green candle. Come on. A little higher. Now. Higher. Go, 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 go. Come on. I think you can get 10 people with one spin. Look at the advanced settings. Okay. Last name standing to make it interesting. Oh, that would be a rather interesting way to do it. I bet Well gets to $1 before Axon does. Damn, Dawn. Tell me which bag you have more of. Clearly it's Well. All right, come on. ETH is breaking out here. Back up. Back up. Come on. Let's get to 28.71 and then push higher. I want to see 29. I want to see 2,900. Easy, easy dub. Let's just recreate the same thing you just did 20 minutes ago and send us into the garage. Only has 30K Axon. Only has 30K Axon. That's like 30 grand when it goes back to $1. That is crazy. You're saying that I can set it to have, what if we picked, we'll spin the wheel 7 times. The 7 people who it picks are the people that cannot win. So the remaining 10 will be the ones who win. How about that? Axon to $5 is bullish. I like the idea of that. So that's what I think we'll do. The first 7 people that it picks are going to be the losers. All right? And you guys can go ahead and tell everyone that an hour into the live stream, if anyone questions the randomness of this on the live, right? Because people are in the Telegram aren't in the live right now for Noble. So whoever, you know what? We could also just grab the live stream and give them all a minute to come into the live stream. I think that way nobody can really complain about it. Hopefully it doesn't get deleted by that bot. Okay. No more links. WA is not allowed to do links anymore. Poor Wah. Poor Wah. God damn it, ETH. What are you doing? We gotta change the little lines here. Fuck. We'll give everyone a second to get into the live stream if they choose to get in the live stream. Thank you, Thuna. Dawn is probably going to be the first one out, which is going to be the funniest thing in the world. Ready? The first loser. Oh, I'm sorry, Krishel. I am sorry. Remove them. All right, Krishel. For anyone who's just joining, who's just watching the replay even, it's an hour into the live stream, and I am picking the 10 winners of the Noble Blocks giveaway. 10,000 Noble to each of the 10 people who win. I am doing it in a way that the first, because there were 17 entries, the first 7 people who get picked are the losers, and the remaining 10 people are the winners. So, I'm very sorry, Krishel, but you were the first loser. Now we have 16 entries left. Who is the next person? Oh, it auto-corrected to Handsome. Oh, Jordy. Sorry, Jordy. You also lost. I am so sorry. And these are your X usernames. I am so sorry. Handsome, you almost lost, but you still live to see another day. Uh-oh, Scrappy. Fernando. Fernando is out. Bye-bye. 4 people left. We got 4 spins left. How is everyone feeling? How's everyone feeling in the chat right now? Dawn is excited. Luna's excited. Beagle's excited. Let's go, baby. This is fun. Oh, I should have put my name on it. Scrappy, no! No! Scrappy, I'm so sorry. Removed. 3 people left. Let's go check ETH again. No, it's okay. Let's refresh the liquidity. We're taking a short intermission to check on the trade because I have ADHD and my brain thought about the trade and I want to just come see. It still looks like it's coming to grab this liquidity. There is nothing right below it. There's a lot of liquidity. There is $500 million to be grabbed. $500 million. We'll spin again. No, Beagle, I'm so sorry. Beagle, an avid supporter of the channel, shows you it doesn't matter. This is a non-biased way of picking. Boss man removed. 2 spins up. 2 losers left. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, Hamsum. It really just didn't want you winning. Thuna, that was close though, Thuna. You almost got kicked out. There's only one more loser to be had. One more loser. No, 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 no. Damn it, Hamsum. I'm sorry, man. You're a whale like me, though, so you got plenty. All right, guys. The last loser. Everyone who makes it past this last spin wins 10,000 noble. You know what doesn't get addressed is that I have to pay all the ETH fees to send 10 people 10,000 noble. How infuriating. I get to host a giveaway and lose $100 in doing so. Luckily, Delroy sent me the 100k noble, so it's not me doing it this time. But last person to lose. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, 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 it's S. It was almost done. It was almost done. S lost. Sorry, S. I am sorry. I was so close to done. All right, here we go. Let's take a screenshot. Or although these are the only names left. So let's come back here. Control C. These are the winners. Those are the winners. Congratulations to all of you guys. Thank you for shilling Noble Blocks. Thank you for being here to shill decentralized science. We appreciate all the valiant efforts to get Noble Blocks out in mainstream media. It's not really mainstream media, it is explicitly just X. But everyone who contributed to this, know that even if you didn't win, you helped progress Noble's recognition just that much further. So, shout out to everyone who entered into the competition. I appreciate all the entries. Noble appreciates all the entries. And as a community, we understand the importance of some organic marketing like that. So, shout out everyone. The ETH trade is going gloriously. We see Dawn said we should only do 5, but I told everyone, I have a feeling that if I were to continue going down and eliminating people, then we would see people get pretty pissed off in the Telegram. People do not like not knowing what's going on. Thanks, Pat Thick. God damn it, Don. Motherfucker. Paste me in there twice and remove Don. Bullish. Noble to $1, so basically just gave each of us $10,000. I mean, it is potential. That is potentially on the table. Noble to $1 is still only half a billion. Noble to $1 is still only half of a billion in market cap. That is very, very possible. Now, it is probably the most bullish case scenario. Maybe Noble gets to $1 billion if everything goes gloriously well for decentralized science. That is very possible, but I think you can pretty safely assume Noble Blocks will get into the hundreds of millions this market cycle, so long as we see some crazy breakouts. Noble to $1 if Ethereum goes into the garage. Come on. Come on, ETH. Let's hit the garage, please. You've had enough time to bounce around here. Let's break out to the upside now, please. Come on. To readdress this even further. It is bullish, though. ETH continuing to pound on the door here as it's waiting for a solid little breakout. I wish I could see a more live order books. I should be trading directly on the exchange. However, like charting on the exchange so we can see these breakouts, but that's not necessarily going to work out because I'm in the United States and the exchange is not super happy with me being in the US. But it's Blowfin. The link is in the description of the video if you guys want to live trade with me. We are currently 30x long Ethereum with the account. We are up a good chunk on that trade, but we are waiting for it to come grab the liquidity that is up in this garage at $2,900 for ETH. It is currently breaking down a little bit. However, the long-term bullish structure here on the few-minute chart is not changing at all. I know it's breaking down but it is still in a very clear uptrend despite this little breakdown that it's going through right now. Bitcoin broke through, hit all-time highs, and then had a bit of a pullback. So some profit taking on Bitcoin's all-time highs. Nothing to be too worried about. I am going to hold strong in this trade unless the only exception for this is going to be if Ethereum starts coming down and breaking below all of these moving averages, because then we just don't know exactly which direction it's going in. But maintaining above these moving averages, still on the longer term, not even long term, but like on the 3-minute chart, none of the structure has actually broken. It's just a matter of having another pullback. So, all right, guys, I need to go get an energy drink from the grocery store. If you can tell, I did not have one already today. You guys have any questions, comments, or concerns? Beagle, Noble's not going to zero, Beagle. Mods, get him out. Get him out of here. What do you think ETH peaks at? 8 to 8,500? I think we might see ETH go up to 10K. I do think so. I know it's not a super accepted. Oh, look at that. Even on the daily chart for Ethereum, coming back up here to the house is literally just going to the 200-day moving average. So that, I think, is even more bullish sentiment. The 200-day moving average is up here at 2960. So I do think there's a very high degree of certainty that we come up and tap onto that. It's also the area in which it was getting a lot of support the last few times, right? So support flipped resistance, maybe. We'll see. I think Ethereum's got a really solid likelihood of coming back up and hitting close to 10K. I do. I think it's got a very, very solid likelihood this bull run. It's not that far away. At the bare minimum, it will flip above 5,000. We will see new all-time highs for Ethereum this cycle. I think it's reasonable for it to double from the last cycle high. So that's just my 2 cents. Your time is your most valuable asset. I will go make an announcement to the 10 people who won in the Noble Telegram as soon as I end the live stream, which is right now.